Today we are doing an experiment with my brother Mad Monty, a scientist. We're doing an experiment called electrolysis. And electrolysis is using electricity to split water into hydrogen and oxygen.
You will need 2 pencils and a piece of cardboard, and the pencils need to be in the cardboard or put through the cardboard. And you'll need some salt, a battery and a cup of water. And put the salt into the water. Water is made of oxygen and hydrogen, and when they stick to and there's 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, and when they stick together they make a water molecule.
Come on, let's start the experiment. If you put the pencils in there and lift the battery so that it touches the 2 lead. What you can see here is the current of electricity is flowing out of the battery and down the pencil leads, which I think are conductors, and they are going into the water and they're separating the oxygen and the hydrogen. You can tell which one has the hydrogen because there's more bubbles around the bottom of the pencil. So I think this pencil here has got the hydrogen around it, and that pencil there must have the oxygen. Can you see that, Monty?
Mm-hmm. The salt in the water helps the electricity run through.
You could use the same method industrially to collect hydrogen, because hydrogen is a natural fuel, and what's good about hydrogen is once it's used, it will just float back up into the atmosphere, join with more oxygen, and then fall down as rain. That's all from us today. Bye!